Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Edge and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the ZEP application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. On your profile page, you should see list of my devices, and here you should see your AMAZFIT Active Edge. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will see the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on Unpair again, and again. Wait until it says Unpaired successfully, then tap on Got it. You can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on it there will be AMAZFIT Active Edge. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. Then you can close the settings, and as you can see, the watch basically resetted itself to the factory default settings. It's gone from our iPhone, so that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.